Hair is a crown you never take off, and when it starts to slip, so does your confidence. But a crown can be rebuilt. Wigs, treatments, support. Let's rebuild yours, together. Someone told you it's just hair. No, it's your identity, your confidence, your femininity. Wanting to feel good isn't vain. It's human, and you deserve that. You're thinking it's too late to do something about your hair. You've waited too long, tried too many things. But what if this time, it works? What if this is your comeback season? Hair falling out in clumps, crying after wash day, avoiding mirrors. You don't have to wait until it gets that bad. Start now. Start small. Start before you hit rock bottom. If this hit home, don't scroll past. Join the conversation. Share your story, ask your questions. And if you're ready for real solutions, real support, and real sisterhood, welcome to the movement. #end the quiet, #hair loss truth, #universal hair to excel.